Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my seasoned seasoning. I do have this plant which they say it's a Jamaican thyme and oregano. I grow it in my house, it's very nice. Some chives, Scotch bonnet pepper, basil, cilantro, parsley, flavored pepper. This flavored pepper is everything, man. It works well. And this oregano, I have vinegar, and these are the ingredients which I'm going to be listing in the description box below. Some Guyana frying thyme does the work. Now, making a seasoned seasoning means that you're adding all the components in seasoning your meat together, recombining them together. So we did go ahead and we washed all the seasonings, cleaned them up thoroughly, and now we're going to chop them. When it comes to Scotch bonnet pepper in your seasoning, if you do not like the heat, then you can omit it, or you can also just remove the seeds from preventing it to be too hot. All of this is basil, cilantro, parsley. We're going to add them up in there, cut them up and stuff like that. Look at this. This oregano is very nice. It's so unique. I have this plant in my house, guys. I just love it. And you don't need to use much of that, all right? Some Guyana fine thyme, garlic, flavored pepper, and of course, what is a seasoning without ginger? Wash your ginger thoroughly. You can remove the skins. I opt to leave mine because they're very young ginger. And look at how beautiful this oregano is. Place them all into the blender with all those seasonings. Now, the seasoning that I did not add are cubes. And if you're an MSG person, you can add MSG. I do not use MSG. So I'm going to place them into here. Once I add them, it's time to put the vinegar. Then we're going to be using paprika, complete seasoning, olive oil, a whole lot of different things that you want to use. Some salt. Of course, you can have a seasoning without salt. And some lemon juice. Flavored pepper into there. All-purpose seasoning. You can use complete seasoning. Again, use any seasonings of your choice. And season your seasoning. You can use smoked paprika. I use the normal paprika, some complete seasoning into here. Just add what you think. If you don't have the fresh ginger, you can also use ginger powder. All right? You want to blend this up until it comes down and there is space in your blender, and go ahead and add more of your seasonings into it and just blend it up. Now this seasoning, when you wash your poultry, your meat, whatever, with lime and salt and vinegar, and it's completely clean, there's no need to add no salt or anything. Now this season is ideal for that. You don't have to add anything. If you notice, I did not put black pepper. If you want to add black pepper, add what you want in it. Whatever spices you think you want to add into yours, go ahead. Now that I throw the first batch, I'm going to do the other batch and mix them all together. Add some more olive oil and some mustard. And that's basically it. Combine them together, mix them up well and into a clean container. Pour them. Put a lid on them, and remember, it must be kept in the refrigerator. All right? And that's our seasoning. My kitchen is so spicy at this moment. Trust me in that. So you can go ahead and make your seasonings if you want. Remember to add any type of spices you want into yours, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.